cool inside of the helicopter. Just wanted to show you what that was like. And we got some GoPros and some legit equipment here to film. For color. Once the show comes out, I will definitely share with all of you guys. It'll be really fun. And as of right now, I have to keep everything under wraps. Everything's very confidential. But thank you guys for joining. And for all of you who's just joining right now and missed out on what I was saying, I am about to take off in an incredible helicopter. But feel free to join the replay if you guys are missing the live broadcast. Thank you. Thank you so much for the hearts.